how you can make a PDF in the CamScanner app. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open the CamScanner app on your phone. Then tap on the camera icon at the bottom. Now you have two options, and you can take pictures directly from your phone's camera or tap Import Images to select images from your phone's gallery. So let's take a sample picture of a page. Once you take the picture, you can crop the image to remove any unwanted edges. And once you're done cropping, tap the check mark icon at the bottom to continue. After that, choose a filter for your scanned page. I'll keep it on Magic Color to enhance the text. Then, tap the check mark again to move on. Now to add more pages, tap the Add button, and you can also tap Batch if you want to add multiple pages at once. Just follow the same steps for each page. Once all your pages are added, everything is ready. If you want to make any changes, tap on Edit at the bottom. Here you can rename the file, rearrange pages, or make other edits. Then tap the Share button and select Share as PDF. You can now choose where and how you want to send your PDF file, like by email, WhatsApp, or saving it to your device. And that's it. That's how you can make a PDF in the CamScanner app.